may have walked off your job because you couldn't take it anymore. Going to work was like living through a horror movie. Well, there is hope. Hi, I'm Advocate Lucinda, and we're going to talk about constructive discharge and what it entails. So you want to stay tuned. Constructive discharge or forced resignation. To establish a forced resignation, you have to show two things. One, that your voluntary resignation is a product of misinformation or deception on part of the agency or the company that you worked for and you resigned from. Two, the agency or the company that you resigned from made the working conditions so difficult or unpleasant that a reasonable person in your position would have felt compelled to resign, retire, or take a demotion. Now, the court is going to look at each case on a case-by-case basis. But let's look at some of the conduct that could amount to forcing an employee to resign. Bullying. Have you ever been bullied? Believe it or not, grown folk bully. Co-workers bully other co-workers. Gossiping. But it has to be, of course, the type of gossiping that is interfering with your ability to function. Hostile environment. Now, hostile environment is broad. It can include retaliation because you complain, discrimination because you filed a lawsuit, or it could include a host of things. But if in your mind you feel like your environment is hostile, then you need to continue to explore that possibility. Insults. Ooh. Are you being hurled insults by coworkers or even your superiors? Lies. Are you being lied on? A lot of times lies are parallel to defamation. Name calling, certainly. No one should be called a name other than the one that the mother and father gave them. So if you are experiencing name calling, certainly that's a problem for the company. Rumors. Are rumors being spread about you? And if they are, what kind of rumors are they? Do they align or parallel with defamation? Sexual harassment certainly creates a hostile environment. Teasing. Teasing can be very hurtful, and very painful. Threats, unquestionably, they create a hostile environment. Here is a letter that you can provide to your employer if you are resigning from your job as a result of constructive discharge. Now, this letter is on the EEOC website, but let me encourage you. Be certain that you have experienced these elements that we just talked about, and there may be others. I would encourage you, before you submit this letter, consult with an attorney who can help you guide or navigate your situation where it would work out in your favor. Okay? And I have provided you with a link, EEOC link. If you have any questions or want further information on constructive discharge, go to this link. All right? I hope this helps, and I wish you the best. See you later.